How to install texture packs in Minecraft. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy step-by-step tutorial. So first I'll show you ways on how to actually download texture packs, and then I'll show you 2 ways in order to actually install texture packs. So let's get started. Now, the first thing you can actually do in order to get texture packs is go to planetminecraft.com. Now here you can, for example, filter on texture packs over here. So you can, for example, do trending, updated, and for example, for bedrock as well. So I'll just go to, for example, trending. Here I can scroll through all of these texture packs, as you can see. Now, a lot of these are actually, for example, add-on packs, which just only change, for example, the shields over here, or only change the frames. But if you would like to filter a bit more out, you can actually go to the categories and do, for example, PvP. So here you have a bunch of like popular PvP texture packs, which are actually pretty cool, as you can see. You can also change the game version. So for example, to, for example, 1.8.9, you can see them over here, modifications. So you can filter them all out, which is pretty cool. The other way is, which is actually my favorite way, is if you simply search, for example, for top 5 texture packs or top 10 texture packs, then you get videos like this. This thumbnail looks really promising and cool. You can look at there and they'll showcase you the texture packs right away. Or for example, top 5 PvP texture packs, and then you get these over here, which are great as well. Now, how can we actually install the texture packs though? Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys right now. So like I said, there is actually 2 ways in order to do this. The first one is in-game. So I'll just start up the game real quick. Once you are in-game, you can actually go to options. Here you can see resource packs. Now, I actually already had some installed. Basically, what you want to do is click on open pack folder. Now, this will open up this folder over here. This is over here, appdata_roaming.minecraft resource packs. And here you can actually drag in texture packs. So let's say we're to delete these right now, go back, and then you can see that they're gone. And if I now drag them back in here again, and then go back into the folder, you can see that they're back again. So now I can, for example, select this texture pack and go to single player, open up a world, and there we go. This is how it will look like. I simply use an advanced vanilla texture pack, which simply advances the vanilla experience just a little bit and makes it a little bit better. But it's basically how you can install it via the first method. Now, that second way is if you want to do it when you are not in the game. Simply open up your search bar and simply search for %appdata%. Then this folder will show up, and at the top you can see .minecraft. That's where you want to click on. And then if you scroll a bit down, you can see the resource packs folder. And there we go. This is that same folder that we opened up via in-game. So here we can see there's none of these texture packs over here. I can simply copy a couple of them and paste it in here. And there we go. We've now added resource packs. Now you can start up Minecraft again. And that will do exactly the same. So I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments, and then I will see you next time.